So, ayan, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, yung i-discuss dito is yung solutions to first order DE. So, nung last na live tutorial, diniscuss ko na yung variable separable, tsaka yung homogeneous. Pero, parang babalikan lang ulit natin siya. So, magsasolve pa ako ng maraming problems regarding yung mga solutions na yun. So, unahin natin yung variable separable. So, since variable separable yung isa sa pinakamadaling solutions, meron lang akong dalawang example for this solution. So, first example, we have ayan. So, kita naman natin dito sa function na to or sa equation na to na mapaghihiwalay natin si x at saka si y. So, cross multiply, kakaroon tayo ng 2y minus 4 dy is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 dx. So, by integrating these two, makukuha natin yung solution. So, we have, pag in-integrate ko to, magiging 2y squared over 2 minus 4y is equal to 3x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 minus 4x. And syempre, huwag natin kakalimutan yung c. So, simplify. Cancel. Magiging y squared minus 4y is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus c. So, ito na yung general solution. General solution, di ba, kasi meron siyang arbitrary constant pa rin dito, which is yung c. Ngayon, since given din yung itong function na to, which is y of 1 is equal to 3, parang ano lang din yan, f of x, or I mean f of 1 is equal to 3. So, with that, pwede natin kunin yung particular solution niya. So, burahin ko lang to. Magiging, substitute natin yung ano. So, if x is 1, y is equal to 3. So, substituting, magiging 3 squared minus 4 times 3 is equal to 1 cube plus 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus c. So, kapag sinimplify natin to, makukuha natin yung value ni c, which is negative 2. So, nakuha na natin yung value ni c. Substitute natin siya sa general solution mo. So, magiging y squared minus 4y is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 2. So, ito yung particular solution. Ito yung general solution. So, second example tayo. Second example, y prime is equal to e raised to negative y times 2x minus 4. So, simplify ko lang to. Dy over dx is equal to e raised to negative y times 2x minus 4. So, cross multiply para mapag-separate natin yung variables ni y at yung variables na x. So, magiging dy, bababa ko to, e raised to negative y is equal to 2x minus 4 dx. So, ito, pwede pa natin tong isimplify, di ba? Naka-negative siya. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan lang natin siyang itaas. So, magiging e raised to y dy is equal to 2x minus 4 dx. So, integrate both sides. Ito magiging e raised to y is equal to 2x squared over 2 minus 4x plus c. Cancel. Ito magiging e raised to y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus c. So, ito na yung general solution natin ulit. Kasi may arbitrary constant pa rin siya. Now, given pa rin ito, which is when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So, sa-substitute ko siya sa general solution natin para makuha yung value ni c. Magiging e raised to 0 is equal to 5 squared minus 4 times 5 plus c. So, c is equal to, so e raised to 0 is 1. 1 minus 5. C is equal to negative 4. So, substitute sa general solution, e raised to y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 4. Ito yung particular solution, ito yung general solution. Ayan. So, okay na yan na example ng variable separable. Kasi madali lang naman siya. So, proceed tayo sa next solution, which is yung homogeneous. So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, kung yung mga ibang kakilala nyo na nahihirapan sa DE, share nyo na yung link na to. So, homogeneous. So, yung homogeneous, yung standard form neto is so there is no way na mapaghihiwalay niyo yung dalawang variables, yung x at y. So, magiging homogeneous siya. So, ang gagawin dito is, we substitute y is equal to vx. So, dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, example number 1. Y prime is equal to y times x minus y over x squared. So, magiging dy over dx is equal to y times x minus y over x squared. So, simplify ko lang siya, gawin ko siyang straight line. Giging x squared dy is equal to y x minus x y squared dx. So, ang gagawin mo na dito is substitute mo yung y is equal to vx tsaka yung dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, substitute, magiging x squared times dy v dx plus x dv is equal to vx times x, so magiging vx squared minus squared yung y, so magiging v squared x squared times x, so minus v so simplify, x squared v dx plus x cubed dv is equal to x squared v dx minus so combine similar terms dx. So x squared v dx, ito pag transpose ko to magiging negative, so minus x squared v dx plus x cubed dv. Pag transpose ko rin tong ito magiging positive, so plus v squared x cubed dx is equal to 0. Ito magka-cancel to. So, ang matitira, hindi natin dito. Ang matitira is x cubed dv plus v squared x cubed dx is equal to 0. So, combine na natin yung x at v. So, ito, i-divide ko. So, ito, magiging dv over v is equal to ayan. So, cancel, integrate. Ito magiging ln of v. At ito, so, negative 1 dx, magiging x plus c. So, purahin ko lang to. Pag nakuha na natin yung simplified form, ibalik na natin siya, 'di ba? Sinubstitute natin kanina as y is equal to vx. So, v is equal to y over x. Galing lang yan dito. So, magiging ln of y over x is equal to x plus c. So, ayan. Ln of y, ln of, hindi, mali. Ln of y minus ln of x is equal to x plus c. Ayan. So, proceed tayo sa next example ng homogeneous. So, number 2, dy over dx is equal to x squared plus y squared over xy. So, simplify ko lang ulit siya sa isang line. xy dy is equal to x squared plus y squared times dx. Ngayon, substitute ko na yung y is equal to vx and dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, x times vx times dy v dx plus x dv is equal to x squared plus v squared x squared dx. So, simplify. X squared v squared dx plus vx cubed dv is equal to x squared dx plus x squared v squared dx. So, transpose ko to sa kabila. X squared v squared dx plus vx cubed dv minus x squared dx minus x squared v squared dx is equal to 0. So, magka-cancel out ito. So, ang matitira is vx cubed dv minus x squared dx is equal to 0. So, transpose ko sa kabila ito. Vx cubed dv is equal to x squared dx. So, pwede na nating i-combine yung similar terms. Variable separable na siya. So, v dv is equal to x squared dx over x cubed. Cancel, matitirang isa. So, v dv is equal to dx over x. So, integrate natin both sides. Magiging v squared over 2 is equal to ln of x plus c. Ngayon, pwede na nating ibalik yung v sa dati. So, v is equal to y over x. So, substitute y over x squared over 2 is equal to ln of x plus c. So, magiging y squared over x squared is equal to, cross multiply ko lang to, 2 ln of x plus c. So, pwede pa siyang i-simplify. Y squared is equal to 2x squared ln of x plus c. So, para makuha yung solusyon ni y is equal to square root of 2x squared ln of x plus c. So, ito, square root, magiging 2x. Ito, magka-cancel lang yung 2 dito. So, magiging 2x ln of x plus c. So, next example. Number 3. 2x plus y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Substitute na natin agad yung y. So, magiging 2x plus vx times dx. Ayan. Okay na ba? So, itutuloy ko na lang. Is equal to 0. So, ito, magka-cancel to. So, magiging 2x dx minus x squared dv is equal to 0. Shout out daw kay Reynaldo Pagador. Hi, Ray! So, tuloy na natin. Nakat kanina. Ayan. So, transpose ko to sa kabila. 2x dx is equal to x squared dv. So, combine similar terms. Pupunta ko to dito. So, 2x dx over x squared is equal to dv. So, magka-cancel ito at ito. Magiging 2 dx over x is equal to dv. So, integrate both sides. Since constant to, 2 ln of x is equal to v plus c. Ngayon, substitute mo na ulit yung v is equal to y over x. So, 2 ln of x is equal to y over x plus c. So, para ma-simplify pa to, cross multiply. So, magiging 2x ln of x is equal to y plus c. So, y is equal to 2x ln of x plus c. Yun. So, proceed tayo sa fourth example. Fourth is 3 times 3x squared plus y squared dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. So, simplify ko muna. 9x squared plus 3y squared dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Yan, pwede mo na i-substitute yung y is equal to vx. So, 9x squared dx plus 3y squared, so magiging x squared v squared dx minus 2x times vx, magiging 2 x squared v dy is v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, simplify. Ito magiging minus 2x squared v squared dx plus, minus, kasi negative yun, 2x cubed v dv is equal to 0. So, ito, magiging 9x squared dx plus 3 minus 2, magiging 1. X squared v squared dx na lang. Minus 2x cubed v dv is equal to 0. So, mag-factor out tayo dito, dx. So, similar sa kanila yung x squared. So, x squared 9 plus v squared dx tas ito transpose ko to sa kabila para maging positive. So, magiging 2x cubed v dv. So, combine similar terms. Itong x cubed ipupunta ko dito, tas itong 9 plus v squared ipupunta ko sa kabila. So, magiging x squared dx over 2x cubed is equal to v dv over 9 plus v squared. So, cancel. May isang matitirang x. So, magiging 2 ay dx over 2x is equal to v dv over 9 plus v squared. So, integrate both sides. Ito magiging 1/2 ln of x. Ito magiging may integrating factor ka na 2. So, 1/2 ln of 9 plus v squared. So, wag mo kalimutan yung c. So, mahalaga na alam mo dito yung integration na part. Kasi kung hindi, mamamali na yung buong solution mo. So, balikan yung integral calculus ninyo. So, proceed tayo. Magka-cancel lang din yung 1/2 dito. So, ln of x is equal to ln of 9 plus v squared plus c. So, e raised to ln, magiging x na lang siya. So, 9 plus v squared plus c. So, dito, pwede na natin i-substitute yung v is equal to y over x. So, x is equal to 9 plus y over x squared plus c. So, magiging x is equal to 9 plus y squared over x squared plus c. So, simplify ko tong buong equation na to, magiging x is equal to x squared, 9x squared plus y squared plus cx squared. So, cross-multiply na to para maging straight line na yung equation. X cubed is equal to 9x squared plus y squared plus cx squared. So, para makuha yung equation ni y, x cubed, transpose natin sa kabila, minus 9x squared plus cx squared. Kahit ano naman yung sign ni c, kasi constant naman yan, any constant. So, hindi siya magbabari. So, is equal to y squared. So, y is equal to square root of x cubed minus 9x squared plus cx squared. Pwede ito, pwede rin ito yung solution. So, tapos na tayo sa homogeneous. Proceed na tayo sa exact. So, kung hindi mo siya ma-solve through variable separable or through homogeneous, baka naman exact yung function mo. So, exact. So, meron tayong test for exactness. If the partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x, exact yan. So, for example, x plus sine y dx plus x cosine y minus 2y dy is equal to 0. So, ito, si m, ito, si n. So, kunin ko yung partial derivative ni m with respect to y. So, yung mga variables lang na may y, yung i-derive mo or yung derivative niya. So, dito, since sin y lang naman, so, ito makakancel siya. So, cosine y. So, partial derivative of n naman with respect to x is, since ito lang din yung may x, so, cosine y. Kasi, derivative ng x is 1. So, cosine y lang yan. Ito, wala na. So, since, equal silang dalawa, therefore, pwede mong ma-solve itong function na to through exact. So, since exact yan, i-write ko lang ulit. So, since exact yan, cosine y, cosine y. So, ngayon, kunin naman natin yung, ililet ko to as x plus sin y, yung unang function natin. Tapos, partial fraction of f with respect to y naman yung second natin, which is x cosine y minus 2y. Basta laging gano'n yun. Partial fraction of f with respect to x is yung m natin, and partial fraction of f with respect to y naman yung second dito. So, next, pipili lang ako sa dalawang ito. So, ito si equation 1, ito equation 2. So, mas gusto kong i-simplify yung So, tuloy na natin siya. Sorry guys, napuputol. So, integrate ko tong equation 1. So, magiging f is equal to x squared over 2 plus x sin y. Kasi with respect to x. So, next, kung makakalimutan din yung c. After ito, ipa-partial fraction naman natin, ipa-partial derivative naman natin siya with respect to y. So, since with respect to y lang, mababaliwala na ito. So, magiging x, derivative ng sin y is cosine y, plus c prime. Third equation. So, since pala sila na partial derivative of x, of f with respect to y, ito at saka ito, equate natin sila para makuha ko yung value ni c prime. So, x cosine y. So, dito i-equate ko yung equation 2 is equal to 3. So, x cosine y minus 2y is equal to x cosine y plus c prime. So, So, dito, makukuha ko na yung value ni C prime, which is negative 2y. Ngayon, pwede muna siyang C prime to. So, kapag in-integrate ko to, makukuha ko si C. So, C is equal to negative 2y squared over 2. So, cancel negative y squared. Since meron ka na yung value ni C, pwede mo na siyang i-substitute dito. So, magiging x over 2 plus x sin y minus y squared is equal to C. Yan. So, since nung last na live, hindi ko ata na-discuss yung linear na solution. So, discuss natin siya ngayon. So, proceed tayo sa linear. Ito yung fourth solution. Si linear. So, how will you know na linear nga yung pwedeng solution natin? So, meron siyang standard form na dy over dx plus y function of p is equal to function of q. So, kapag ganito yung form ng equation mo, linear siya. So, for example, ito. X raised to 5 plus 3y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. So, itatry ko siyang i-arrange sa ganitong form. So, transpose ko to sa kabila. X dy. So, ibababa ko to. Magiging dy over dx x raised to 5 plus 3y over x. So, cross multiply ko lang siya. And then, simplify pa natin, dy over dx is equal to x raised to 5 over x plus 3y over x. So, dy over dx is equal to x raised to 4 plus y times 3 over x. So, nasa form na siya ng linear. So, ang p of x ko dito is 3 over x. And ang q of x ko dito is mali. Kailangan ko pa pala siyang i-transpose. So, dy over dx minus y 3 over x is equal to x raised to 4. So, ang p of x ko is negative 3 over x. Ang q of x ko naman is x raised to 4. So, ayan. And, ang pag-solve ng linear, meron siyang tinatawag na integrating factor. And, ang integrating factor natin is equal to e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So, ito, lagi nyo itong tatandaan. Kasi ito yung formula ng integrating factor sa linear. So, next, di pa tayo tapos. Ang general solution naman ng linear is y times integrating factor is equal to the integral of q of x times integrating factor dx plus c. So, since ito yung formula natin ng integrating factor, solve muna natin siya. So, integrating factor is equal to e raised to the integral of p. So, ang p natin is negative 3 over x dx. So, ito magiging e raised to negative 3 ln of x. So, ito pwede ko pa siyang i-simplify as 1 over e raised to 3 ln of x and magiging 1 over x cubed. Kasi, ito ay pwedeng i-simplify as e raised to x times raised to 3. So, kapag sinimplify ko pa siya, magiging 1 over x cubed na lang siya. So, mahalaga din na alam niyo yung relationship ng mga logarithms natin. So, ang integrating factor ko ngayon is 1 over x cubed. So, sa-substitute ko siya dun sa general solution natin. So, y times integrating factor, which is 1 over x cubed, is equal to the integral of q of x. So, q of x natin is x raised to 4 times integrating factor 1 over x cubed dx plus c. So, masisimplify ulit yan. Magka-cancel out yung x natin. So, y over x cubed is equal to integral of x dx na lang yan plus c. So, y over x cubed is equal to x squared over 2 plus c. So, cross multiply 2y is equal to x raised to 5 plus c, x cubed. Ito na yung solution. So, next example tayo ng linear. Alfredo Pasol, anong GC yung sinasabi mo? So, ayan. Sample number 2 muna. We have 2 times y minus 4x squared dx plus x dy is equal to 0. Ngayon, iaayos ko ulit siya dun sa standard form natin ng linear. So, to do that, transpose ko to sa kabila. So, magiging negative x dy. So, dy over dx, baba ko to dito, is magiging 2 times y minus 4x squared over negative x. So, dy over dx is equal to negative 2y of x. So, negative yan. So, plus 4x. Ay, 8x pala. Kasi, didistribute natin siya. So, with that, tatranspose ko pa to para same sa standard form natin. Dy over dx plus 2y of x is equal to 8x. So, ang p of x natin dito is 2 over x. And ang q of x natin is 8x. So, with that, integrating factor is now equal to e raised to the integral of p of x, which is 2 over x, dx. So, ito magiging e raised to 2 ln of x. And then, magiging x squared. So, ito yung integrating factor natin. So, substitute ko ulit siya dun sa general solution natin, which is y times integrating factor is equal to the integral of q of x times integrating factor dx plus c. So, y times x squared is equal to the integral of q of x, so 8x times x squared dx plus c. So, ito magiging x squared y is equal to, ito x, 8x cube. So, kapag in-integrate ko siya, magiging 8x raised to 4 over 4 plus c. So, yung final answer is x squared y is equal to 2x raised to 4 plus c. Ayan. So, may dalawang example pa. So, marami palang mag-e-exam dito ngayon. Kaya nakiki-review kayo. Hindi nyo ako pwedeng isama sa exam nyo. Anyway, proceed tayo sa third example. So, example number 3. Ito, madali lang to. dy over dx plus 2xy is equal to 0. Ayan na. So, nasa standard form na siya. So, ang p of x natin dito is 2x. And ang q of x natin dito is 0. So, ang integrating factor mo is e raised to the integral of 2x dx. And, magiging e raised to x squared. And, substituting sa general solution natin, y times integrating factor na e raised to x raised to is equal to the integral of q of x, 0 naman siya. So, 0 times e raised to x raised to 2 plus c. So, cancel yan. Final answer, y e raised to x raised to 2 is equal to c. Ayan. So, last example tayo ng linear. dy over dx is equal to 1 over 1 plus x cubed minus 3x squared over 1 plus x cubed times y. So, standard form, i-transpose ko to sa kabila. So, dy over dx plus 3x squared over 1 plus x cubed times y is equal to 1 over 1 plus x cubed. So, ang p of x ko dito is 3x squared over 1 plus x cubed. And ang q of x ko dito ay 1 over 1 plus x cubed. So, solve natin yung integrating factor. E raised to the integral of p of x. So, 3x squared over 1 plus x cubed dx. So, ito magiging e raised to ln of 1 plus x cubed. So, I hope na alam nyo kung bakit ln of 1 plus x cubed siya. Kasi kapag dinifferentiate ko to, same lang siya dito sa taas. So, magiging 3x squared. So, ln lang yon. So, eto na yung integrating factor natin. Now, substitute ko siya sa general solution natin, which is y times integrating factor na 1 plus x raised to 3 is equal to the integral of q of x. So, 1 over 1 plus x raised to 3 times integrating factor. So, magka-cancel out lang ito. So, y times 1 plus x raised to 3 is equal to integral ng dx plus c. So, final answer is y times 1 plus x cubed x plus c. So, kung gusto niyo namang kunin yung y lang, transpose natin siya. Magiging y is equal to x over 1 plus x cubed plus c. And yun na yung final answer. So, yung mga example kanina is, ang dependent variable dun is y. Kasi yung standard form mo is dy over dx plus y p of x is equal to q of x. So, y yung dependent variable mo. What if x naman yung dependent variable mo? So, last example na to. 5 is equal is y dx plus 3x minus xy plus 2 dy is equal to 0. So, kapag x naman yung dependent variable mo, mababaliktad din yung standard form mo. So, magiging dx over dy plus x p of y is equal to q of y. So, kapag dito, dx, transpose ko muna to. So, dx over dy is equal to negative 3x plus 2 over y. So, simplify ko lang. Dx over dy is negative 3x over y plus x minus 2 over y. So, dx over dy, factor out ko yung x. So, x is equal to negative 3 over y minus 2 over y. So, para maging standard form ulit siya, magiging dx over dy is equal to, dx over dy plus, may 1 pa pala to, guys. Sorry. So, di maingay yung aso ko. So, dx over dy plus 3 over y minus 1 times x. Kasi transpose ko siya kaya mag-iiba yung sign. Is equal to so, ang p of y na natin dito is 3 over y minus 1. And ang q of y mo is negative 2 over y. So, integrating factor, e raised to the integral of 3 over y minus 1 dy magiging e raised to ln of 3 ln of y minus y kapag in-integrate ko to. So, ayusin ko lang. Ang integrating factor mo is ito. Actually, pwede ko pa siyang i-simplify. So, integrating factor is y raised to 3 e raised to negative y. So, sa general solution natin, x times integrating factor is equal to q of y times integrating factor dy plus c. So, x times y raised to 3 e raised to negative y is equal to negative 2 over y times y cubed e raised to negative y plus c. Kakancel. Magiging 2. So, magiging x y cubed e raised to negative y is equal to ito magiging negative 2 y negative 2y So, yun na yung last na example ko ng linear. So, shout out na lang sa lahat ng nanonood dito. And thank you sa panonood ninyo. And good luck sa exams ninyo, guys. Sa lahat ng nagtatanong kung pwede akong i-add sa group chat. My God. Wait lang. Baka sumabog yung notification ko pag ganun. Try nyo na lang muna akong i-message doon sa FB page ko ngayon. And pag-iisipan ko kung papayag akong i-add nyo ako sa GC ninyo. Kasi personal account ko yung nagamitin if ever. So, ayun. Message nyo na lang ako sa FB page ko muna. Kung may tanong kayo. And, ayun, shout out na lang sa lahat ng nanonood. Sa 17 na nanonood. So, thank you guys. And, good night. Bye-bye. Ayun, na-late si James. Anyway, guys, mapopost naman tong live na to sa channel ko. So, no worries dun sa mga hindi nakanood. Mapopost naman siya. Siguro, mamaya siya mapopost after ma-upload. Kung mabilis yung net. So, ayan. Grabe naman may I love you pa. So, good night, guys. Bye! Bye, guys. Bye.